Romeo? Romeo! Are you... Romeo? Romeo! For Christ's sake! We've been challenged!
I'm awake. What? What's happening?
We've been challenged, mate.
By who?
The boys back in Wales.
Back in Wales, but we're in Bali. How do they think they can beat us? Have you seen where we are right now?
I somehow don't see them beating this, but they've challenged us. Hello? Yeah, it's beautiful out here, mate. Time of my life right now. How's it back in England? Is that a challenge, mate? Are you challenging us right now? Oh, no worries about that. I'm always ready for adventure, me.
I suppose you best get our camera gear in a car then.
We better add, mate.
Or bikes.
Bikes.
Let's get the
Or
map.
both.
Let's get the map.
¿Por qué no los dos?
Yeah, here's our place. It's kind of like a 3-story lighthouse kind of thing. Yeah, it's pretty rad. Kitchen's like in the bottom floor. There's beds there, and then there's beds on the top. But yeah, here I'll show you our getting some food right now. Some cooking going on. Looks like we're having toast, fruit, and eggs today.
Oh yeah. Standard stuff.
Yep.
OG breakfast for the OGs.
So, the boys back home, Chris, Fala and Brad, they've challenged us out here in Bali to top their adventure back in the UK. And trust me, with the stuff we've got lined up, it's going to be too easy. We've got our bikes, we've got a vague idea of where we're going, we're heading north.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys.
Okay, so here we have a map of Bali. This is our adventure playgrounds. We started out in Ubud, which is down here. We've got on our bikes and we've basically drove all the way up to Lake Beratan. Right here is where we think the abandoned hotel is. Thing is though, we have no idea where about it is, we just vaguely know the area. So our next mission is locating it. I reckon we can do it. We'll give you an update soon. If we get lost, we get lost. That's just what happens. We'll see you in a bit. We've just asked the people that are serving us here as we're getting fuel if they know about the ghost hotel. And apparently, it's just over there. So, close, we're on the right path, and fingers crossed we can find it soon.
So, just bought a mask.
Right, so for those that don't know, this is Akil. He's traveling Bali with us for a week.
Just to make sure we scare off the locals, if need be.
Helmet off first, mate. So, odds on you just riding the rest of the way with the mask on.
Oh yeah?
Oh, you actually look creepy, guys.
How about now?
Really scary.
Yeah?
Can you actually see anything?
Yeah, I can fucking see everything, mate. Oh no.
Yeah, hang on. Yeah, let's get that. There you go. So Akil's all geared up.
Breathe, but
breathing is a secondary priority here. So we're having a food break. Caramel, what are they? Caramel crisps?
They're like really big on the front, but actually this size. They're quite nice.
Deception. And I've just got Cheetos and anything else you fancy, and then we're gonna get back on the road.
It'd be fine, mate. 200,000 and
200,000 in Akil drinks whatever that black liquid is.
oh no, fuck.
what about 500?
No, I'm pretty sure it's like pure vinegar.
It's doable.
I'd love to see you do it.
I'll give you 10,000.
I'll give you 500k down it.
Not a chance.
We'll split 500k each. You get a mil.
That is
I'm gonna agree to this.
Agree to it.
You've already lost a mil on this trip. I'm gonna pass. I want to be fully able to when we leave.
Alright, should we just do that then?
Yeah.
something underneath. Take two. I'm still trying to figure out what makes you hard on the call. I guess it comes from your heart, cause when your head's right, you take your time. There's something about the love of things you like. Fire when the strobe hits.
Have a look, yeah.
10,000 donation.
What? No donation. No. We'll climb it another way if you fine. 10,000 donation. You good. Up this way.
He's literally gonna kick us straight back out. Okay, so we've made it. We're inside the abandoned hotel. Chris has been waiting for this for about 3 weeks now. At the gates, there's 2 locals that are trying to charge you to come in, but we're not about that. So Chris just told him, yeah, we're just gonna find a way to climb in. That we did. Keen to explore?
Oh man. You better work hard back there in the UK to top this, boys.
Yeah, you're gonna have
This
to
is
work cut out.
incredible.
With reception. Can you guys take care of that? Trust you. Thanks.
So the story of this place is that there was some investor, apparently, this is what I read online, he built the place, and then the day before it was due to be opened, everyone mysteriously disappeared. Don't know if that's true, but that's the story I've heard. So this place is pretty weird, but it's huge though. It must have been really something back in the day. Oh yeah, here we go. Woohoo!
Put in one of these slots. Do you want to put it in?
Let's give it a go. Maybe it'll unlock a secret door or something.
We're trying to piece it back together.
Maybe this. Here we go.
And this piece would be part of the display feather. It would sit just like that. Yeah, look, pretty cool.
You still have to find his nose and his mouth.
I feel like those might be lost.
Hand, his fingers. Yeah, all in all, he's not had a good time, bless him.
You just decapitate. That can be a sick souvenir.
Could be, but we have to travel with it. We'll find something else cool.
That would be very cool.
Not that.
We've been trying to find a basement, but we've had no luck, as they're normally the most fun. But we've got on the rooftops. Chris has done some climbing.
And then our guy's going to come with the big camera, the big boy camera, and we're going to take some cool pictures,
Yeah,
which you'll
we've
be able
done.
to see. Which you'll be able to see on at Romeo Roams and at Chris Explores Things.
Yeah, go check them out. Okay, so we're trying to crawl through the undercomb of the hotel, but there's no way through, so we're gonna have to go back, and we're trying to find like the garden area, maybe if there's a pool or something that's been emptied. There's something cool for pictures and more to explore. Our boy is here. How was the ride?
It's fucking incredible.
Yeah?
So much better than a scooter. Yeah. Finally. I was on the map and I didn't have any service, so I was just following the pin. And I was hoping you guys were still here because you guys sent me the pin like an hour ago.
Yeah, we've been hanging around. We've been waiting to get some pictures because Chris is climbing on that rooftop.
We need to do it now before it starts raining.
Yeah, and he wants a picture.
It's like, oh.
So I'm gonna get up there,
Okay, you go up.
get the camera ready.
We'll get the picture.
Fuck yeah!
Sorry?
Yeah, dude. So sick. It's just a regular dirt bike, but it's fucking fast. I think it's like 225 cc. It's not the fastest, but Still does its job. I was going like 85, 90 kilometers an hour. Still super hyped about my motorcycle. Thank you, Bali Bike Monkeys. All right, we just got to our it's like brunch spot.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christmas.
Hey, Dan's vlog.
Hey, Luke's vlog. I'll see you guys later.